this video starts, click on the link on the description right now to subscribe to my sister's channel, right guys? She has a new channel and our goal is to hit 10,000 subscribers on that channel, alright guys? So subscribe to her channel, link is on the description, and comment on her recent video and send me. Let's go. Guys, if I spin this fidget spinner on this mini voodoo doll for 5 seconds, you guys have to smash the like button. Dear guys, let's do this. 3, 2, 1, let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Boom! Right guys, have to smash the like button.
Wanna join my free gift cards giveaway? Subscribe to my channel, like the video, and turn notifications on. And finally, tell me on the comment section that you subscribe.
Hey guys, welcome back to another brand new video, another day, another banger. Guys, on today's video we have a really insane video, alright guys? This is gonna be one of the best videos ever that I know you guys will love, alright guys? So guys, on today's video we are gonna be making giant voodoo doll at 3 AM and see what happens guys, alright? Like this voodoo doll, this is voodoo doll, alright guys? We are gonna make the giant version of this, alright guys? Like so much bigger, like my size of voodoo doll, alright guys? It's going to be insane. And for those who don't know what's voodoo doll, like voodoo doll is I'm gonna make the voodoo doll same as me, and if you do anything to the voodoo doll, like if anything happens to the voodoo doll, it happens to you, alright guys? But first we need to make the voodoo doll, and then we have to do something to connect me to the voodoo doll, alright guys? Then if anything happens to the voodoo doll, it happens to me. It's going to be like so insane, alright guys? And for those who don't know what happens at 3 AM, 3 is the time where all the evils and spirits come to earth guys, and it's their time to do anything they want. That's why we are going to be doing it at 3 AM, the evils and spirits hour. But before this video starts, you guys know what to do. Boom, go follow me on both our social medias guys. It is all on screen right now, so follow me on there for a chance to get a shout out on every video guys, like this. Alright guys, so this is how to get an Instagram shout out, alright guys? So first make sure to follow me on my Instagram, AF11_69. And then I'm just gonna come down here and open my recent picture. Oh my god guys, 1,855 likes and 977 comments. Yo, you guys are so insane. And then I just went into the comment section and I'm just going to shout out you guys, alright? So make sure to comment more for a more chance to get a shout out. So now I'm just gonna scroll down. If you guys see your name, just screenshot it. Let's go. Instagram shoutouts guys, and go down right now, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and turn on post notification to be on notification squad guys. And before this video starts, you know what time it is?
Back from the dead.
So it is 3 AM right now and I got everything we needed, alright guys? It's all in this plastic bag, alright? Whoa, look at this guys, I got so much stuff. So now let's start making the voodoo doll. Oh, look at the time guys, by the way, look at this. Look at the time guys, come on focus. It is 3:01 AM right now, 3:01 AM. So let's just start making the voodoo doll. Guys, so the first step is I got this glue gun, it's a glue gun, alright guys? And I'm just gonna put some glue right over here. Come on. I'm just gonna put some glue over here. Alright guys, the glue is done. And now I'm gonna put the hand part. Alright guys, this is for hands. Come on. I'm just gonna stick it right over here. I think it's perfect guys. Come on. Look at this guys. It's almost the size of me. Look. Yo, it's like so high. Look at this guys. We are almost the same height. Yo, this is one of the biggest voodoo dolls ever. No one have ever done this. So now let's start designing it. Let's go. So alright guys, so I just called out AR7 production. Alright guys, his link is on the description. Make sure to subscribe to him. Alright guys. So guys, now I just call him because I need help with this, alright guys? We are gonna make the body white.
It's gonna take so much time.
Yeah, that's why we need two people to make this, alright guys? So now we are just gonna use white for the body, and then we are gonna make the hair blue, alright guys? Because my last hair was blue. Because if I make it white, it doesn't look good, alright? Yeah. So we are gonna make the head blue like my last time. So now let's start with the body.
I am you.
So while it's making the body, I'm gonna make the hair blue. Let's do it. Alright guys, so now we finished the face. Alright guys, look at this. The face is completely done. I just put some paint over here so the nose shows. Alright guys, it's pink color. And then we got the mouth ready, as you guys can see. We got the eye. We only had one of these eyes, alright guys? So we went with one small and one big. And we got the blue hair, alright? Look at this. Yo, the hair is like the best part about this voodoo doll. And the hands are, like the arms are done. Look at this, guys. Like this is huge. It's insane, alright guys? So now, let's go for the body. Let's go. Alright guys, so we just finished making the voodoo doll, alright guys? And look at this. It looks like so insane, alright guys? Just look at the size different. This is the small voodoo doll, and this is the giant voodoo doll, alright guys? Yo, it's insane, guys. Me and AR7 finished making it, alright? Yo, it was so insane. Just look at the size, guys. I think this deserves a cinematic. Let's go. So now it's the time to connect this voodoo doll to me, alright guys? So anything happens to the voodoo doll, it happens to me, and the lights has to be off, alright guys? This is gonna be absolutely crazy. Just look at the voodoo doll behind us, alright guys? Yo, it looks like so creepy with the small voodoo doll, alright? So guys, now we are gonna connect the voodoo doll to me. Let's do it. So this is how to connect the voodoo doll to me, alright guys? I have to say voodoo 15 times, alright guys? It's going to be insane, and please do not try this, alright? And guys, before I do this, please go down right now and smash that like button, alright guys? Let's get this video to 15,000 likes. If this video gets 15,000 likes, I'll make a bigger voodoo doll, alright guys? Let's do this. Voodoo, 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 voodoo. Oh my god! Yo, what's going on?
Yo, what's happening?
Oh my god, I can't see anything. Yo, what's wrong with the voodoo doll? Oh my god, this is so insane.
Yo,
I cannot see like anything. Yo, this is insane. Oh my god. Yo, oh my god, what happened?
Yo, what?
Wait, the voodoo doll moved. Yo guys, I was right over here and the voodoo doll was here.
It was right behind you.
But now it's on the other side.
Yo, no way.
Wait, how is this even possible, guys? I think it's connected to me. Alright guys, so now AR7 is gonna hit somewhere on the voodoo doll, and we are just gonna see if it's connected to me, alright guys? I can't see anything, like I can see where is it gonna hit, alright guys? Come on guys, let's do this. And AR7 is just gonna hit somewhere, and my eyes has to be closed, alright guys? Let's do it.
Close your eyes completely.
Come on, close. Oh my god!
You guys actually working.
Did you hit here? Did you hit here?
Yeah, I just saw. I just hit on the forehead, guys.
You guys, it actually hit my forehead.
Yo, no way, guys.
Yo, now we know the voodoo doll is connected to me.
Yo.
There's like no way. Come on, you do it now. Again.
Oh
I'm gonna close my eyes.
Again. Let's see if it's actually real, guys.
Oh my god.
You no way.
Where did you hit?
I just hit on the left arm.
Yo, there's no way, guys. He actually hit in my arm.
You guys,
and my arm went there.
This is creepy, guys.
Yo, this is actually insane.
Oh my
Come on
god.
again. Come on again.
You guys, I don't know if it's real. Like, let's try this again. His eyes are completely closed. Oh my god.
Yo.
No way, guys.
Yo, there is actually no way.
I just hit on the side.
Yo, guys, the voodoo doll is actually connected to me.
Guys, let's try this again. Like, let's see.
Oh.
Yo, what happened?
Oh, my hair.
Yo.
What did you do?
Yo, I just pulled the voodoo doll's hair.
Oh my god.
Who turned on the lights?
Yo, come on. What's going on?
Oh my god.
Yo!
Yo, where's the voodoo doll? Oh my god.
Where's the voodoo doll?
Yo.
The small one is here.
Oh my
Where is the
god.
big one?
Yo
Guys,
guys.
the giant voodoo doll just went
The
missing.
voodoo doll is missing, guys.
Yo, it's there, it's there.
Oh my
I
god.
see him.
You no way.
Look at this, guys. Oh my god, I actually see him.
How did he move there?
Yo, it's actually the voodoo doll. Should we go and see him? Yo, where is he going? Yo, yeah, the voodoo doll is going. Let's go, let's go. Oh my god. Yo, oh my god. I can hear the voodoo doll footsteps. Yo, where can he be? Oh my god. Yo, the voodoo doll is there. Oh my god. Let's go, let's go. Come on. Yo, bring the flashlight, AR. Come on. Yo, look at this, guys. Oh my god. It's actually the voodoo doll. It's moving now. How are you doing this? You are connected to me. Yo, this is insane. Let's go front. Yo. Oh my god, this is insane. Yo, I really cannot believe it. Yo, what should we do here?
Oh my god. I wanna go away. I wanna run away like it's insane.
Yo. He was inside. Oh, come on, follow
I
me.
think it's not good. It's not a good idea to go.
Yo, look at him.
Oh my god.
What is he doing here?
He was just moving right like few seconds ago.
Yo, voodoo doll. Hey, voodoo doll.
Oh my god.
Yo, what should we do?
I think the spirit left it.
Yo, this is actually creepy. Come back, come back.
Yo, it's insane.
Oh my god, I don't know what to do now. Yo, Aya, like what should we do? Oh my god. Move, Aya. Oh. Yo, there is no way. Voodoo doll, how are you even doing this? Yo, this is so creepy, guys. Look. It's actually the voodoo doll. He's moving. Yo, I'm done. Oh my god, it's actually the voodoo doll. Get out, get out. I'm gonna close the door. Get out. Oh my god. Yo. Oh my god. What is wrong with this voodoo doll? Yo, why is it knocking? I'm not gonna open the door. Yo, stop it. I'm not gonna even open the door.
Lock the door.
Should I open the door?
No, just keep it locked.
Yo, this is actually creepy. Yo, the door is locked now. Yo, this is insane, AR.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, what should we like do?
I think like, I don't know, like
How did he even get in? The door is closed.
it's the real spirit thing, guys. Oh my god.
Yo, come on, let's just end that.
I didn't know it would work.
Yo, let's just end the video. Come
Oh
on.
my god.
Oh my god. This is creepy, yo. I really don't know what to say. Yo, I really didn't believe that's gonna work.
Like I was shocked.
Yo, alright guys, we are just gonna end the video right over here, alright guys? Because I really don't know what to say. Like, this is like so...
Yo.
Wait.
What?
How did he came here?
Yo. Oh
Yo,
my god.
hold the camera and see if it actually works again.
Yo, go.
Come on.
Yo.
Come on.
Yo, it's
I'm actually
insane.
scared. Come on, hit him and see if it actually connected
Alright.
to me still.
Come on.
Come on. Let me keep him. Come on, I'm just gonna keep him here.
I got a new plan. Oh my god. Yo, look at this, guys. Yo, are you okay?